Now, children, I was explaining about the various things. So, styrofoam. Styrofoam, it is a material which is used in making the food. Now, children, all the things which are dumped into the water bodies, they degrade in the water, not at the same rate. Some of them, they are dissolved in the water quickly, and some of them they take time to degrade in water. But all these things like plastic, aluminium, then styrofoam, etc., they affect the aquatic plants and animals, resulting in the pollution of water. So children, in the last video, as I already explained you about dumping, which pollutes the water bodies. Now let us see the next thing which pollutes the water bodies, and that is the industrial waste. Okay. Now children, the waste which is generated by the industries, they contain various pollutants. Okay, pollutants are the materials which pollute the water bodies like asbestos, lead, mercury, petrochemicals, and all these things, they are very, very harmful to both the human beings also and the environment also. Now children, when the industrial waste, it is released into the lakes and rivers, they pollute the water bodies. Okay. Now let us see the next thing which pollutes the water body, that is oil pollution. Now children, the water in the sea is also polluted by the oil which is spilled from the ships and tankers while traveling. And when the oil, as we all know that the oil, it does not dissolve in water and it forms a very thick layer or sludge polluting the water. Okay. So next we come to is acid rain. Okay. Now children, sludge means it is a very polluted substance. So it pollutes the water body. The next reason is acid rain. Okay. Acid rain is also one of the reasons for polluting the water. See children, when the acidic particles which are caused by the air pollution in the atmosphere, when they mix up with the water vapor, it results in acid rain. And this acid rain also pollutes the water bodies. Now the next is global warming. As we all know that due to the global warming, there is an increase in the water temperature. And when there is an increase in the water temperature, it results in the deaths of many aquatic plants and animals. It also results in bleaching of coral reefs in water. So it also results in water pollution. And the next is eutrophication. What is eutrophication? It is an increased level of nutrients in water body. Now, when there is an increase in the level of nutrients in water body, it results in the blooming of algae in water. And it also depletes it also leads to the decrease in oxygen in water. And when there is less of oxygen in water, it has a negative effect on the animals which are living in the water. So all these reasons, these are the reasons which lead to the pollution of the water body. Okay. Now children, we come to the next topic, and that is what is the meaning of acid rain. Okay, so in short only we'll study this. What is acid rain? Only you remember that it is a mixture of wet and dry acidic components. Okay, now when it is having more of hydrogen ion level, it becomes more acidic. Okay, so it is very harmful. This acidic rain, it was discovered in the year 1853. Okay, it was discovered after we came to know about a dead lake which was discovered in Canada. Now let us see how the acidic rain is harmful to the land also, to the human beings also, and the animals also. First, children, it can lead to diseases such as cancer, asthma, and heart disease. Secondly, it is also having many ecological effects. Like it is having the worst effects on lakes, streams, wetlands, and other aquatic organisms. It is so dangerous that it can kill a whole forest, or it can destroy a whole forest. It also destroys the leaves on the tree by cutting off the light and the nutrient supply. Okay, it can also change the acidity in the soil, making it impossible for the trees and the plants to grow. Now, other than this, it can also make the water very toxic for the fish and the other aquatic animals. So with this, we come to the end of the explanation of the chapter. So again, I'm saying all the word meanings which are written at the bottom of the pages, they are very, very important and you have to study it. Other than this, whatever is in between the chapter, we can ask anything from in between the chapter. So please read the chapter thoroughly. Now children, we come to the solving of the back exercises.